Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Lorna Schumann with the Illinois State Museum. Have you ever wondered how we study effects and damage caused by storms? Well, today we're going to focus on a tree, a tornado, and a scientist. And to help us understand a bit more, we're going to talk with Dr. Melissa Party, the Curator of Geology here at the State Museum. Hi, Mel.
Hey, Lorna.
Hey, we've been kind of thinking about a tree and how this tree really helps us understand a little bit about storms. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about the scientist.
Yeah, well, let's start talking about tornadoes. Ever since 1971, we've talked about tornadoes on a scale that looks at their wind speed, the intensity, and the amount of damage that they cause to buildings. This scale is called the F scale, and F stands for Fujita. This is the last name of the scientist who came up with the scale, Tetsuya Ted Fujita. From early on in his career, Ted Fujita was interested in the damage caused by disasters, both those caused by nature as well as by humans. In fact, following the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, he was part of a team that looked at the damage that was caused by these bombings. He's best known for his work on natural disasters and storms, especially categorizing tornadoes based on the damage that they do. And at the University of Chicago, he had a machine that looked at wind speed and damage. Ted Fujita's research has really helped us understand the damage that's caused by tornadoes. The original F scale, the Fujita scale, was modified in 2007, and it had to be updated because it reflected changes in how we did construction. So newer construction was able to withstand higher wind speeds, and so that scale was adjusted to the enhanced Fujita scale, or the EF scale. This leads us to the story of the tri-state tornado. This was a large tornado that hit Missouri, southern Illinois, and Indiana in 1925. This was a tornado that was categorized at the time as an F5 and had wind speeds in excess of 260 miles per hour. It killed over 600 people and injured nearly 2,000 more. This tornado tree is a tree from that storm, and it helps illustrate the power of this storm. The wind speeds were strong enough to actually drive this board directly into this tree. And so it helps us understand just the power and the intensity of the damage that was caused by this tornado. A storm of similar severity as the tri-state tornado occurred in 2021 in early December. Within a day, 71 tornadoes formed. 2 were in the EF4 category. 86 people were killed, and there was $3.9 billion in damages.
Mel, thank you so much. That really helps us understand a little bit about how we measure tornadoes today and helps us really connect with a tree, a tornado, and a scientist. Thank you so much. And thank you for joining us today.